So prior to developing Bowtie Master, we canvassed many organisations in major hazard industries who shared many of the problems that they were facing related to process safety and bowtie diagrams in particular. So let's look at some of these and show you what Bowtie Master does to address them. Here we see 5 of the issues that matter most to our customers. We've tried to do things a little different and give our users the flexibility to do things their own way. There's no tiered subscription in terms of functionality, and all the features that you're about to see are available to everyone. Multiple people can use Bowtie Master at the same time. Here we see a list of all the people who are registered as part of an organisation's subscription. These are also the members of Pink Floyd, in case you were wondering. Administrators can add or delete users. They can also make new, edit, or they can delete bowtie diagrams. The other category of user is viewer. Viewers can only see bowties that have been published. If we look at a bowtie diagram in the main menu, activating the Publish toggle means that all viewers can now see this bowtie. This is great for keeping draft bowties hidden until they are complete and have been approved for use. We've scaled back some of the complexity and adopted a minimalist user menu to make it as easy as we can to build a new bowtie diagram. New elements are added and they can be reordered using drag and drop. Everything has been geared around usability. We want to take as much of the friction we can out of risk assessment, making using Bowtie Master as easy as we possibly can. A well-constructed bowtie diagram should be visible for everyone. We've added many ways to increase visibility. As well as the multiple users that we've already mentioned, if the share toggle is pressed, this activates a link which holds a live image of the bowtie diagram. This can be embedded onto any website, company intranet page, SharePoint, or simply opened in any web browser. Any save changes made to the diagram or to what's visible will be immediately updated on the image. You can therefore guarantee that the most up-to-date and accurate process safety information is being used. As well as that, with the single click of a button, you can download a high-quality image that can be embedded into reports or presentations. A blessing and a curse of bowtie diagrams is how much extra detail can be added. Take metadata, for example, the additional information on each barrier. This may be beneficial to some to better understand barriers, but a bowtie diagram with lots of visible elements and metadata might become difficult to read. So to try and get the best of both worlds, we've added analysis mode, where all elements can be coloured by a single piece of metadata, even if it's hidden. For example, let's analyse by barrier health. Here we can clearly see the current effectiveness of each barrier without having lots of additional metadata to read. But of course, for many, there will be value in seeing metadata. You can add free text metadata, or you can define metadata as a list, where the user selects from a drop-down list of options, each with its own predefined colour. This helps keep things consistent. Metadata visibility and order can be easily adjusted from the side menu. The goal-setting regulatory regime in the UK means that we all do things slightly different. And if you are a consultant or service provider, then you may regularly deal with customers who each have their own standards, naming conventions, and even colour schemes. Whether you refer to them as degradation or escalation factors, mitigative or recovery barriers, you can change these at organisation level, where changes will apply to all new bowtie diagrams. Or you can set this at individual diagram level, where the changes you make only apply to that diagram. The exact same can be said for metadata. A standard Bowtie Master comes preloaded with metadata that aligns with the Energy Institute good practice. But you can change this, either for your entire organisation or for a single diagram. Please note that any changes made at organisation level won't impact diagrams that you've already built. The last thing we want is these being updated automatically and without appropriate approval. Moving can be difficult. Those of you who are attracted to the Bowtie Master features may question whether the cost, time and effort of migrating from your current software is worth the benefits. Well, Bowtie Master comes with Excel import as standard, so you can upload your existing bowties easily. The journey doesn't end here. We built Bowtie Master after listening to the industry, and we continue to listen to our customers and are constantly improving the software. Any new features added will be immediately available to all customers for no cost. We're really excited to see what direction our customers take us in, but we commit to keeping the process of building bow tie diagrams as simple as possible. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to answering any of your questions.